Hi everyone, it's Vicky, and I think it's been a couple months now since I started doing those laminated envelopes, and off and on I would work on a few projects, but not really anything to make a video on. But I did make one other envelope. Let me just show you these envelopes. This is one of the ones that I made, and anyway, I made one more that I wanted to share. So happy Easter, as you can see my sign there. I put that out, and my little Easter basket here I got at Target. It's FAO Schwartz. You can see that. Isn't it so adorable? Yeah, so I picked that up, but I wanted to show you this last envelope that I made. Then I'm going to put these away. So anyway, um, here it is. So I made this envelope and it came out so cute. I really enjoyed making it, and this is the back. And so I found this paper. I have a pad, like 3 pads of different kinds of wood grain. So I picked out one of them out of that pad. Everything I have is kind of old. I've had it for a while. But then I did buy these little, what do you call those? Those, it says journal bits. But I did buy these at Tuesday morning one day, maybe a few months ago. And I just thought they were so cute that I did use these ephemera. So I picked out this one and these 2 little things for the back portion, and then it has my little pocket with the glitter in here. And then on the front I did add this one and this one. This is my closure. And then I happen to have this a chicken, I think it's a rooster pad from years ago, and they had this chicken wire, which I really liked. And so I used that as the base. So it came out really cute. It's a little chicken coop, and happiness is homegrown, and eggs and farm fresh with a little chicken and her little chicks. So I thought that was really cute. And therefore, I decided that I had also bought this paper pad at Tuesday morning. This one here, and it's a 12 by 12, and it's like patchwork. And I thought it's so cute, and I remembered I had this. So I took out a sheet of this. This is graphic 45, and there's like 25, I think, sheets in here that I got for $4.99. And that was within like 2 or 3 months ago. And so I used this one. I think I showed it in a video as well. So I used this one. I didn't use the Simple Stories one, but this is really cute too. But I went with the wood grain and that type of thing. But I do have those. I also used this other one I got at Tuesday morning at the same time, and it is Flower Shop Kaiser Craft. It's so pretty. The papers in here are so pretty. So I used these, and I thought that was so cute. And I actually got 2 of these paper pads. I was fortunately to get those. Recently, I went to Vintage Market, or Vintage thrift store, and I found a package of all these different papers. And so I just bought it. It was $1. So I bought these papers, and I thought this was really nice. I'd never seen this before. So I bought these different kinds of papers, and I remembered I got that. So I decided to incorporate that, and let me show you what I made. So let me put this down so I can show you. I I first made this little booklet. So this is the oh, and these ribbons also I included. I had gotten those at the vintage market a long time ago, and it's this I don't know where I don't remember if the lady says they're from Europe or Japan, but I have two different ones. I think I have a purple and this green. I use the green, and then I also have this one, which this one says fake suede, I guess, and it's from made in Japan. And this one is the fake suede. So those are the two ones I used on this to go with this paper. I did sew the paper. You can see I did some sewing in the patchwork, and I used my vintage tape that I made. I have a video on, and I used this die that is Anna White's die, and I like that. And so then when you open it, I just have a clamp here and a little hair tie, you know, one of those elastic hair ties. I used one of those. And then it opens up, and I put some, this paper is like a vellum, but waxy. So I have that in my stash, and I used that for this portion. And then I made, out of that green paper, I made a little insert. And so I have the paper that I got, and I used, I think, 3 sheets on this, and unfolded it so that it is, I made a pocket here. And so on this side it opens up. Maybe I could move this out a little bit further and raise this up so that you could see that it unfolds this way, and then it ends so that it folds back up and it closes off. So this is one signature, and this is the second signature I have in here. They're held in by this ribbon. And so this is the chicken wire paper that I had in my stash. And then I, with the Anna White's little die, I made this, and with some alcohol inks, not alcohol inks, but distress inks, and just distress this paper. And I also did little sprinkles with the it's a iridescent paint, watercolor paint, and I stamped this with the I'm not sure which one it is, but with one of the letter dies I have, not dies, stamps I have. I wrote in Le Coupe. And then inside I have an old Stampin' Up! Stamp I got at the thrift store, and I just put that in here. And then I have also an insert that I made using various different papers and the same die. I'll open this up for you and show you. I just have it wrapped up. And this is just something that evolved, just using things that I have saved. And so these little buttons here, it's on a roll from Hobby Lobby of ribbon that has a bunch of buttons sewn to it. And this is I think this is Tim Holtz little words. And I just cut up pieces of papers and book pages and just did some collage. I did a little, this is the chicken. Is that a rooster? I think it's a rooster. So I did that and stamped it and just put it on little piece of paper. And then this is on a book page, and I did do some the die cut with impression of a stitching of Anna White's stitches from Impression Obsession. And then I have these little chicken things that I got out of the paper that came with some eggs that I bought. And then also this is from the ephemera cutout, and I put on the back part of this newsprint that came with the eggs I bought. I made little tags here. This is Elizabeth Craft Design tag. And then I just put the little chickies, little black thread, and then just attached it with a Tim Holtz tiny attacher. And here's another one, and this one is just cutting out, one of these chickens here. Put it on the paper. Here's a little cartoon of it. And I just put this over here with this little Tim Holtz paper clip. On here you have another page, and then this is Anna's imprint of her stitches die, and I just wrote on there, it's blurry, "These sewing textures are yummy. Love, love, love." I think it's the number 2, Impression Obsession. So that's what this one looks like. Put around with some Mayard's twine. And let's see. And then this signature also has a couple pockets. There's a pocket here with the little papers. That is made to look like handmade paper. It has some bits of, it's just old. I had in my stash. And then here's another little pocket using the paper I had. And so this is what that looks like. And this closes off. This is the French Chateau. I think that came with that Stampin' Up! Stamps from the thrift store with this rooster. And then this closes up. This is the back. And so that's what I made. I also made tiny little booklets as well. I made this one that says "Grow" with some wire, and it looks like a little rose here, just wrapped around. You can remove it this way. And then it has another hair tie, and it opens up. And this is the paper from the other stack from Kaiser Craft that I just showed you. And then I have just little pieces of paper, some music paper, and little other papers. These papers are so pretty and dainty. Some vellum. And there's a little butterfly book marker. And so it just has a few papers. And another little insert in a pocket. This is the back with another stamp from that set. Stampin' Up! Set, vintage set. And then I have just one more here that I put in this little envelope. So this one says "Thing that I made in the past," and you pull this out. And I have another chicken here from the ephemera. And then I think there's one other thing in here. Oh yes. So there's another one that can be written some notes on with some music paper. So that goes together. This goes in here. And these are leather closures. And so that's just one of the projects that I've been working on with the theme of chickens and, you know, little for Easter chickies. And that is my share for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little share. I'm sorry that I've been away for so long. I'm kind of busy with family and everything, so I haven't been able to do too much, but I wanted to share these little things that I've made, and hope you enjoy that. So I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.